Right, in this video we're going to have a look at the general equations that we need to know within the course. Of each general equation I'm giving you one example to illustrate how to use that general equation. So the first one is when a metal reacts with an acid, and in this example here it's going to make a metal salt, and it will also release hydrogen gas as part of the reaction. Okay, so an example of that, if we took the metal sodium and add it to sulfuric acid, because it's sulfuric acid, we would make a salt that is going to be a sulfate, and the first name is going to be the metal, so it's sodium sulfate, and then there is the hydrogen that is being released. Notice each one of these is going to make a salt, and we'll use different examples of acids to give us the different salts we need to know. Second general equation, okay, is a metal oxide added to an acid gives us a metal, salt and water. This is actually a neutralization reaction, so we've got a base and an acid making a salt and water. That should jig your memory of that topic. So here's my example. I've color coded this one a little bit to help us see where the names come from. So the example of the metal oxide is magnesium oxide. The acid in this example here is nitric acid. Nitric acid means we're going to get a nitrate salt with the first name coming from the metal, so we get magnesium nitrate, and because it's neutralization we make water as a product as well. Next one on the list is another neutralization one, so it's a metal hydroxide with an acid, so it's an alkali with an acid, makes a metal salt and water. Again, the same rules apply for naming the salt. In this example, we've got hydrochloric acid, so because it's hydrochloric acid, it's going to be a chloride, and then the metal part is the metal from here, so it's lithium chloride and water. And then the final one is a metal carbonate, so again it's a neutralization reaction, and you can see metal carbonate with an acid makes a metal salt. Because it's a carbonate, we also get carbon dioxide forming, and we get water. Okay. An example is calcium carbonate with sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid makes sulfate salts, so it's going to be calcium sulfate with the carbon dioxide, with the water as the products. Okay, so in here, just as a reminder again, I've given you three of the acids. Sulfuric acid is a sulfate salt, hydrochloric acid is a chloride salt, and up here nitric acid is a nitrate salt. So you should be able to do any one of these equations now and find the name of the salt, because you've got three examples of the acids that we need to know about.